to go to the doctor's.
I need to go to the doctor's?
Yes, I need to get the my tummy.
Yeah, I know, right? Because it's hurting again.
Yes, God. I know
Yeah.
that. Yes, that's open.
Is it open?
Yes, it's open.
Oh, thanks God.
Of course it's open.
Thanks. Do you want to go to the Philippines?
Ha ha ha.
And see Lola and Tita, Tito, and Lulu? Are you Filipino or Australian?
Filipino.
What are you?
Filipino.
Are you Filipino?
Yes.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel once again. Happy Thursday afternoon. It is now, 4:11 na di ay. It's 4:11 ng hapon and pasensya na ngayon lang tayo nag-open ng ating vlog. Nandito lang kasi kami sa bahay guys. Wala akong parang ganap kaninang umaga. Actually, sobrang late kong bumangon kaninang umaga. Around, ano na siguro yun, like 11 o'clock. Kasi 5:30 na akong nakatulog kaninang umaga din. So, sobrang lightheaded ako nung nagising ako. Kaya hindi muna ako bumangon. Like, muna ako sa bed. Nagpaligid-ligid muna ako sa bed, guys. And also, Paris went to bed late last night. Kaya late din siyang nagising. Kaya yun, kaming dalawa sa bed. While Daddy Mike was working. And he is still working now. Madilim ba dito, guys? Hindi naka-on yung ating light. But hopefully, yung natural light is doing its work. Lumabas si Haring Araw today. So, nagbihis ako, naghilamos ako, guys, and all. So, magmukha naman tayong, tao. Ayan. Hilamos-hilamos din pag may time, diba? And then, si Paris ay ready ko rin kasi dadalhin ko muna siya sa labas. Pupunta ako sa post office while open pa siya. Ayan yung suot ko, guys. Very comfortable, oh. Super stretchy. Kasyang-kasya ang ating baby Celine. Diba? Sobrang laki na ng ating baby, guys. She has been moving a lot today, pero hindi talaga yung masakit-sakit. Okay. Kiss baby Celine, anak, P. Come here. Oh, shush! Say hi, hello, guys.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel.
Gubot, buhok, oh. Why do you have jacket on, Nak? Nak, why do you have jacket on? Hey. Come here. We'll fix your hair, babe. It's 4:20 now, anak. We have to go before the post office close. What is that?
Can you roll it? Can you do it with your hands? Roll, roll, roll.
Roll, roll, roll. Show me, babe. Show me. What's that? Is that lemon? Where did you get it from?
I'll try. Like that. I'll roll it.
You want to roll it?
Roll it and we roll it like that.
I don't know how to do it, honey.
Try. Yeah. Now, mommy.
Come here. Baby, show me. Come, Dirira. How? Show me? Oh, like that? Like circus?
Yes, it's like that. The round one.
Oh, no. I don't know if Mama knows how to do that, anak.
I want to
You
try.
try. You try, babe? You try, babe?
I can do it. I want
Tell us, Mama B, where did you get that from?
tree.
From the tree? Who took it? Daddy or you?
Daddy.
Lagi kawat na ninyo nito. Silingan?
1, 2, 3.
Di kawat niyo silingan?
1, 2, 1.
Hello, friends. Oh, tingnan nyo.
1,
Not
2.
Mama will do it, babe. Babe, sige. Sure, tita, ito. Babe, ito para siguro ang gusto niyang gawin na, bebe. Kasi nakikita niya sa Peppa Pig. Where's that remote, Nak? Put the... Nako, Nak. Here. Look at Mommy.
Right, mommy. Try again.
Try again.
Mommy, roll it.
Huh?
Roll it.
Roll it. Like that? Is that what you want Mommy to do?
Yes.
Wow. Do you know how to do it?
I can do it.
Okay, you do it.
Let me try.
Be show it. Here, Mom. Here, a little bit. You show Tita if you do it.
Oh.
you. We're gonna go now, anak ta. Kay manirado na. Is daddy. Daddy.
Let's go.
Let's go before
Close.
they close.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Can you get mama shoes? I can't wear the shoes outside. This is for inside. In the other room, please. Thank you. What's that in your hand, Baba?
My bag.
Is that your handbag?
This is my bag with toys.
Go get toys. Come on, let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, ginaw ng hangin eh. Oh! Hala! It's okay. Sorry, mami siya kaagad. Oh, ganyan talaga yun siya, guys. Oh, you pick it up, guys. I can't bend na. Yung ating baby Celine ay ano na, nakaharang. Yan na-cover. Uy, na-cover ano? Brrr.
Can you help?
Yeah. What happened?
Can you help too?
You didn't close it properly.
No, not me.
Not you. Who did it then? Come on, just hold it for now. We'll fix it in the car. Come on. Quick, quick. Quick, quick. Careful, anak. Tang-tang na po na, anak. Mabuag yan na po na. What is, anak?
I need to go to the doctor's.
I need to go to the doctor's?
Yes, I need to get the right for tummy.
Yeah, I know, right? Because it's hurting again.
Yes, God. I know
Yeah.
that.
We will soon. Ayan, kakapark lang namin dito sa...
Tito won't take a car.
Na, Tito won't take our car. Punta kami ng post office, guys. Like, seriously, I think we only have literally 15 minutes. Ito lang yung ipopost ko, guys. Yung skirt ko.
Oh, yes, that's open.
Is it open?
Yes, it's open.
Oh, thanks God.
I told you it's open.
Thanks God it's open.
Yes, yes, it was the gate.
Yeah.
Mine, can we get a new toy?
Honey, we have lots of toys already, okay? Remember what Mama told you?
I want new ones.
Ito lang, guys, ang ating kukunin. Ayan, so 940 for the small satchel. Ano?
I want new toys. Just new ones.
Mommy don't have money, anak.
Just want new ones.
Yeah, you have a lot of toys at home already.
No, I just like new ones.
I know. I understand, honey. But do you understand that Mama don't have money?
Want some toys?
Next time, okay? When Mama got money, we will get more toys, okay? What have you got there, honey?
Paper.
Who gave you that?
The lady.
The lady from?
Post office.
Yeah. What did she tell you to do?
Draw.
Draw? And color. Come on. Come down.
Want to go there
So,
and
nandito kami
get
sa isang
the
ano, guys,
treasure. And one
cafe. Kasi open sila.
treasure.
I'll see if they have the coconut smoothie. My favorite. It's been a while. Yeah.
Go, go. Tomato. That's a mouse.
That's a mouse. Tulingaw siya, guys.
Huh? Yep.
Ayan na ang
I'm
kanyang
gonna open
Claro
it.
milk tea.
My little heart.
Yeah, that's hot.
I'm gonna open it on drink. No, let me.
Ikaw lang nagigay, guys. Oh? Gusto niya talagang gawin
Mama,
yung mga bagay by
can you
herself.
open that?
Yeah, here.
I can.
Good. What can we get for you? Just want a large latte, please.
Yeah.
This way, okay. Large latte. With a normal full cream milk? Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Yummy. Tigulang mo, nakaya ka na pa eh. Ay, big girl, huh?
Why the jelly's not coming out?
The jelly's not coming out, beloved.
Take a seat, okay.
There you go.
It's coming out.
It's okay na? What? Are we gonna have rice? Ito siya guys, pag uuwi kami ng Pinas, yung kakainin nito ay rice. Do you love rice na? Kailan pa kaya kami makakauwi ng Pinas? It will be long way away pa ata. Actually, nakatanggap ako ng email from AirAsia. From AirAsia about sa ticket namin. Kasi nga diba, last year, hindi last year. Oo, last year nga diba, uwi nga sana kami ng May. And then, hindi natuloy kasi kailangan i-cancel because of the COVID. And then, yung ginawa ko kasi guys, instead na magpa-refund, is parang credit na lang ba sa account ko. Yung AirAsia is sa domestic sa Filipinas, and then Cebu Pacific yung international. I haven't heard anything from Cebu Pacific, yung international, imbis na yun yung pinakamahal. Yung nag-email sa akin is yung AirAsia. Sabi nila na ano daw, 3 extended daw, automatically extend na yung credit fund, ang tawag doon guys, for 3 years. So that's good. And then that made me realize na kailangan kong tawagan yung Cebu Pacific, kasi yung Cebu Pacific is hindi na nagpaparamdam. And I think the last time na yung email nila sabi July 2021 or July 2022 or something like that. But kailangan ko may confirm guys, kasi sayang naman kung walang mangyayari, diba? Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike, try, maybe pwede daw magpa-refund ngayon. Kasi, yeah, I don't know, I feel stupid bakit hindi ako nagpa-refund last time para makuha namin yung pera namin. Pero kasi akala ko magiging okay din.
This is not expensive.
It's not expensive? It's not for sale, honey. It's not for sale.
It's not expensive. It's just new.
Yeah, you can just borrow that, but when we go, you can leave
Just a
it.
one color milk tea?
I will still play.
Yes, you can play it while we're here.
Yes.
Yeah. Nag-regret nga ako kasi hindi ko pina-refund before, pero sino nga namang mag-aakala na matatagalan ng ganito yung restrictions na hindi makakabiyahe, ganun. So I don't know if it's possible to get a refund now. Kasi nga diba, international mahal yun guys. Kasi pag-unboard tayo namin ni Paris. Kasi kami lang sana dalawa yung uwi last time. Anyways, do you wanna go to the Philippines now? Do you wanna visit the family in the Philippines? Mama?
Sorry to
Oh,
interrupt.
thank you very much.
I know the star bill.
Yeah, wow. What's this?
Rice.
Rice. And then this one.
Can we smell? Can we smell my rice?
Of course you can.
It's not good.
Smells good?
You yucky one.
This one?
Yes.
That's pork.
Can we just smell it?
Of course you can, honey.
I don't want it.
You don't want it?
No, it doesn't smell yet.
You want it? Uy, gabaan dyan ka na.
Can you give me the rice?
Anak, tell me, do you want to go to the Philippines? And see Lola and Tita and Tito and Lulu? When would you like to go?
Filipino.
Are you Filipino or Australian?
Filipino.
What are you?
Filipino.
Are you Filipino?
Yes. Who you?
Am I Filipino or Australian? Is Mama Filipino or Australian?
Filipina.
Yeah, Filipino.
And what's Daddy?
What do you think? Australia. Yeah.
Yes, that's Australia.
We're Filipina because Mama is from the Philippines. It could be Philippines.
Philippines.
Say, I love Philippines.
I love Philippines.
Here, look at the camera. Say, I love Philippines.
I love Philippines.
Say it, buddy.
I like Philippines.
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 Philippines. Kain mo na kami, guys.
Mama, can I have blood?
Is there blood in your nose?
No, it just
Busy at the moment, Max. Hello?
No, there's no blood.
Was it only boogers?
Yes.
Are you sure? B, show me your finger, B.
I thought the training will be
Boogers only?
Yes.
Boogers.
Yeah, it's gotta be
Mommy.
around 2
Mine
to 3
is no
o'clock. 3 o'clock would
bleeding.
be perfect. Now it's
Your nose not bleeding. Yesterday it was.
Yes, that one will go.
Where are you gonna put baby Celine again?
Right there, and the white ones.
and the ones
There?
you're done, just send me a text message.
Just carry silly.
Carry like that?
Yes. I'll put it here.
Oh,
That's a first thing.
that's right. You know what to do, don't you? You know what to do with your baby sister? Good girl, Ate. Come here now. Look at this spider.
I'm not scared of spiders.
You're not scared? You're a brave girl.
Yes.
Such a brave girl. Tingnan niyo guys, ang aking tiyan ay gumagahi. Bak, 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 bak. We're gonna go na, anak.
Can we take this?
Loh, dili na at. Uy, yan ani dito. We have to return it, anak. That's not for taking home.
A few moments later.
Dito kami ngayon sa loob ng Bunnings. Bunnings. Oh, there's more mask na. Oh, we might need 10 packs. Huh? Yeah. Yung grenade mo. Meron silang duct tape, guys. Bili ako nito ng isa. Para ito yung gamitin natin pag nagpadala tayo ng balikbayan box. 6:30. One will do. Ayan. May hanger pa. 3:30. It's not bad. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Hi, Nak. Hmm?
Where's the kangaroo?
What are you looking for?
The kangaroo.
Pongo?
No, Pongo is not here.
Who's Pongo?
I don't know.
The dog.
Where's Pongo gone?
Tingin-tingin din si Daddy ng
That was where's
itong maliit.
Pongo?
Portable na ba? Oh?
I don't know what Congo is. Let's see if I can get on race.
Pongo.
Ang linis sa saksayan. Sa sakyan.
Down there.
Yeah. Car's choose. Which one, honey?
Vanilla watermelon on Yuka.
Baba. Choose. Which one?
I should choose my color. Which one do you like? This one.
I like the.
Blue, yellow, or...
Pink.
I like pink ones.
Watermelon, mommy?
Okay.
I want the pink one.
Okay.
I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
There you go.
What's this one?
That's for the car, honey. It makes it smell good.
Mama, watermelon
I know where it is.
and blueberry.
Over here, about 47. Say soon.
Where's Daddy going now?
Team.
Huh?
The team.
In the gym. What is he doing in the gym?
Exercise.
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 Tagal na kasing hindi nakapag-gym ni Daddy Mike guys kasi tawag ito, lockdown.
Let me see.
Ha? Nak, why do you need to exercise?
Because I'll be strong.
So you can be strong?
Yes.
Okay, let's go now.
Yes, let's go with him.
Let's go home. We'll pick up Daddy later.
Let's eat around when it's finished.
Time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And kaka-uwi lang namin ni baby girl dito sa bahay. Anak, come here, anak. So, kakadrop lang namin kay Daddy Mike sa gym. Come here. Show tita what you got from the post office. Are you coloring now? Oh, yeah. Pasensya na, very noisy guys ha. Kanang gahabugong nga sound ba? We have to put the heater on kasi sobrang ginaw talaga guys. Alam niyo, nakadress ako kanina pero pag uwi ko ng bahay talagang naglagay ako ng pajama kaagad kasi sobrang ginaw. So ko lang ipakita sa inyo quickly yung nabili namin from Bunnings. So ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike na handheld vacuum para sa sasakyan. Para malinis namin yung sasakyan kahit na hindi na talaga namin kailangan pumunta doon sa place kung saan linisan yung sasakyan.
Mommy, what's this one?
Ayan, very handy.
Mommy, what's this one?
Oh, that's the leather conditioner, honey. It's got that one. And then, no, where's the... Wait, oh, the blue box. Can you get it from Mama, please? Thank you, Anna. Sabi. Filter kit. I don't know if this one needs it, but ewan ko kay Daddy Mike, bakit?
Mommy, this one. What's this one?
That one, B, will show B. So, this is metal polish. Ayan, may paggagamitan ako nito. Ano?
Mommy, can I open this?
This one is leather conditioner. Ayan. And then, nakita nyo kanina, nagbili ako ng duct tape para sa ating balaybayan box. Para safe. Ito, pabango para sa sasakyan. We got more mask. And I bought this. Itong, picture hanging strips. Alam nyo guys, sobrang mahal nito. Grabe. I think this one is $17. Ganyan lang, oh. Kasi nga, diba, mahirap kapag nagre-rent ka lang. Hindi ka talaga hindi mo mabubutasan yung mga walls whenever you want to. Yung may mga frame na gusto mong isabit, gano'n. So, you need something like this para safe yung walls at hindi ka nila ng owner. Paninglan kapag lakaw ng Yes. We've got this cheapo lang na na hangers. Ako niyan. And then, ano pa ba na? What else did we buy? Did we buy something else? What, today na? That's about it. Really. And then, si tatay doon sa guys, sa front door talaga ng Bunnings. He gave Paris yung parang pang color, binigyan siya ng crayons. Siya, dito na ka, where's your crayons? Your crayons. Lipay kayo ang palisyang, oy, kabulo ba ang madani niya nga. Very into, surprise, mga presents. Pagdating namin dito, diretso ka agad. Color ka agad siya. Okay na. Show kita dito. Oh, making the dinosaur chicken. Siya. Wow, different colors. Tell Tita and Tito the colors that you have. Wait. Tell Tita and Tito the colors that you have.
Red.
Move here a little bit because they can see you. Okay?
Yellow.
Yellow. What else?
Red. Green. What's this color?
Wait. What's this color, Tita and Tito? Do you know? Paris, no? For sure. You know what this is?
Oh, no.
See?
Brown.
Yay! I told you know. I told you know.
Next one.
Next one. This one.
Green.
Green. Move here.
That.
What's that?
Pink.
Pink. Hindi pala to crayons, guys. Color pencil.
This
Ano na?
one now. Pink.
This one.
Huh?
Mhm.
Hello. Yeah.
Green.
Orange.
Orange. Okay.
Let's do it again, Mommy.
Tingnan. Do maybe where's Daddy?
In the gym.
In the gym.
Yeah.
Why did Daddy go to the gym?
Exercise.
Exercise?
Yeah.
Do you do exercise as well?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the exercises that you do?
I do run.
You do running? Okay. Come here. Come back. Tell them what else do you do?
Up, down.
Oh, like that? Up, down. Okay. What else?
Roll, roll, roll.
Oh, roll. What else?
Do like this.
Oh, somersault.
Yes.
Then you guys do somersault. And then what's the other one? This. The skipping.
Rope.
Skipping rope. How do you do skipping rope? Wow! Ang galing talaga ni Paris mag-gym.
Mommy. Why not? What color is this?
It's green. Come on, let's go cook that one. Chicken dinosaur. Chicken dinosaur.
What color
Chicken
this
dinosaur.
one? And what color this one?
It's red. Show me the somersault, B. Come on. Here. Tingnan niyo guys, tingnan niyo.